All right. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and install Unity. First thing we're going to do is download Unity Hub at the official unity.com website. Then we're going to go ahead and ensure that we installed Visual Studio Code with the Unity Hub installation. And then the last part, we're going to go ahead and create a simple project and test to make sure Visual Studio Code is connected to Unity. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right. So this is the official unity.com website where you can go ahead and download the latest version of Unity Hub. If you're using a Windows, then you can go ahead and just select this button here. If you're using a Mac, go ahead and select the Apple icon right there. Awesome. It might also make you prompt to log into Unity. If you're going to do that, all you have to do is go to the top right over here and just give it a email and a password and you should be all set. Awesome. So go ahead, start this download process, pause the video, and we'll meet back when you're done. All right. Assuming you've already completed it, go ahead and open it up now. And you should get a screen that looks just like this where you're in projects currently. Now to make sure that we have Visual Studio installed as well, all we have to do is go over here to the left at installs, then go to the current version that you downloaded. It should only be one if this is your first time using Unity. Go all the way to the right of the current version you're using, select add modules, and then you should see a check mark next to Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2022 right here. All right, if it wasn't checked, then go ahead, check it, hit continue, and start the download process. But if everything's set up correctly during default, then you should be set. Awesome. So go ahead and close this if it's already set. Let's go back to projects right over here. All right, let's go ahead to the top right to the new project button right here at the top. Let's go ahead and create a 2D project real quick. Go ahead and give it a name. I'm going to call mine my project 1, just like that. Go ahead and give it a location of where you want it, and then also select where or cloud organization. I'm just going to go ahead and do my Red Full Studio. Then I'm going to go ahead and unselect connect to cloud and also unselect use Unity version control. Awesome. Let's go ahead and create the project. It might take a few minutes, so I'm going to pause the video while that loads. All right, looks like mine's loaded. You should be at this screen right here. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead on the left, right over here. Right click on your mouse, go all the way down to create empty. Go ahead and keep the name as game object. Select the game object right here. Then we're going to go to the right, go to add component, and we're going to go ahead and type in test script. Go ahead and create new script by selecting that. Go ahead, add and create. All right, let that load. All right, once it's loaded, then go ahead and just double click on the script and Visual Studio should pop up. All right, from there, let's go ahead right underneath line 7 right here, and we're simply going to do a public bool, and we're just going to call it number, semicolon. And I'm in the void start right over here in between these two brackets. I'm simply going to go ahead and set number equal it to true, semicolon at the end. Awesome. All right, go ahead and save that by holding down Control S to save. There you go. All right, or you can click the save button right here as well. All right, let's go ahead and go back to Unity. There we go. Let that load. All right, you should see this number here. And if we go ahead and hit play on our project right up here, we should see that number checking because we put that on the void start. Awesome. All right, if you got to this point, everything should be set up and you should be all set. Alrighty, I will see you next time.